One of the most interesting mass UAP encounters of the 1950s Cold War took place over the Sea of Japan on the 14th of April, 1953. The US Navy was operating a Lockheed P2V Neptune at 9,000 feet, 200 miles east of Vladivostok. The mission was ELINT, or ECM, that is, Electronic Intelligence or Electronic Countermeasures. If you were a warbird enthusiast, the airplane would look something like this, and the model was probably a Lockheed P2V-3W with the aft ventral radome. The night was very dark, with ceiling and visibility unlimited. The encounter began around 9:23 p.m. when two bright lights, flashing the Morse code letter D, began to pace the Neptune from a position 12 miles away as it approached North Korea. The two were soon joined by three more for a total of 5. When the US Navy Neptune descended to 2,000 feet, the 5 UFOs closed to 3 miles. All positions were confirmed on radar. At 10:43 p.m., the Neptune turned away from North Korea and toward Niigata, Japan, descending to just 400 feet above the ocean. From that time until 11:50 p.m., the UFOs made up to 70 aggressive, non-firing, high-speed runs from both a beam and astern, with all passing under the aircraft, which was still flying at 400 feet. When the Neptune reached a point about 100 miles off Niigata, the UFOs formed up in a group and departed the area. Here I want to make 2 key points. First, the Lockheed P2V-3C was the first U.S. Navy aircraft capable of carrying a nuclear weapon after launching from a carrier. The UFOs appear to understand this. The idea that 10 Soviet MiGs would run circles around a U.S. Navy Neptune continuously for an hour was an idea apparently bought by some, until a similar encounter between an Air Force C-47 and 10 flying discs over Sweetwater, Nevada, was found to have occurred just 2 days prior.